how I've never heard of this national park. Lassen Volcanic National Park. We're in Northern California still, 45 minutes from Joanne's house. It looks big. A lot of volcanic activity. Some, what do they call that? Geothermal activity. This will tell you how much I know about this national park. So I went into the visitor center and he was like, yeah, so this one will take you to Bumpus Hill. And I was like, what is that? And he was like, oh, it's just the only hike that people do in this national park. So I was like, great, got it, noted. Apparently that one's where you see more geothermal activity. We're gonna find out together. I did read online that some of this national park has been burned by wildfires. Seeing the burnt forest looked post-apocalyptic. My transmission temperature was getting a little hot, so I'm chilling here for a sec. I put a deep pan maybe a year ago in this truck, and I had some problems maybe 6 months ago in Northern California. I don't know what it is about Northern California. Apparently, like, my transmission fluid was low, so the shop that installed it the guy told me that he thought that they put this normal amount of transmission fluid instead of like enough for a deep pan, because I think it was like 3 quarts low, I believe. Because I might have to see if there's something else I can do for this truck, because pretty much anytime I'm going up passes, my temperature spikes a little, and I usually just pull over and it's fine, but I always have to keep an eye on it. I don't know if there's anything else I can do, but good thing we have nowhere to be, right? I couldn't tell you exactly where I am in the national park, but yeah, you can definitely see the forest burned down. It's and it looks like they're trying to do a bit of cleanup. I had to stop one more time because the engine temperature was getting hot, and now I'm stopped. There's my truck camper right there. Cold boiling lake, that's the intention. I am one of the only people out here today. It's pretty nice, off season. Good idea. Change of plans, headed to the infamous Bumpus Hill, aka Mini Yellowstone. It's a 3-hour hike. It's 3 o'clock right now. I think I only have enough daylight for one hike, so I'm gonna do the most popular one. I'm excited to see
Take the next right onto Kings Creek.
I'm excited to see some little geysers. Should be cool. I've never been to Yellowstone. You know, I realized that over the years, like I have been to different spots, but I get pretty comfortable taking the same route in my camper, doing the same old, so this is good. That meadow down there is so nice. I'm letting my engine cool off because I've had to stop a couple of times. It is just working my truck. I've got the heater on to cool it down some. We're climbing, let me show you. I'm like an old person. I'm just driving through the park, lazy. No hiking, just strolling, listening to Earth, Wind and Fire, September. You know how it is. I've had to pull over 4 times now because my, oh my gosh, I need to pull over again. Like my engine's getting worked. There's people out here. Truck camper. I saw some like bubbling steam. Oh, check this out. Ah, you can hear them. That was so worth it. It only took me all day to get here, but here we are. Sure is stinky. Mini Yellowstone, no kidding. Ground in this area can look solid, but may actually have a thin crust hiding pools of acidic boiling water or mud. We want to go to Bumpus Hill Trail to Boardwalk. These are 4 cuddling tree trunks. How cool is that?
Somewhere I read something, I thought it was 100%.
All 4 types of volcanoes found in the world can be found in Lassen Volcanic National Park. Those types include shield, plug dome, cinder cone, and composite. Y'all need to trust your tour guide around here. Would I be showing you not cool stuff? No. I find the cool stuff. We found it. We got here. We made it. We were not lazy. We did the hike. Underrated national park. Very impressed. And I'm hard to impress, I promise. Don't skip out on these. The hike wasn't bad. I don't know how long it was. My watch says I've been here for 43 minutes, but I put it on a little bit late, so maybe it's like an hour and a half to get down here. Maybe it's just an hour. It's probably just an hour. I've been farting around a lot, so anyways, come here. These are so cool, and there's no one here. I've heard there's a million people at Yellowstone, so I'll show you what's good. Okay, so I'm looking at this mud gurgling right there. Do you see that? It's like boiling if you look right around there. I'm trying to get a clip of this bubbling. Y'all see it? They should make this place into a national park or something. It's pretty freaking cool. Amazing. This is so cool. So beautiful. Now I gotta go see Yellowstone. I literally just turned around and I'm already thinking about dinner. Guess what I'm having? Take one guess. Ground beef. You know how we do it around here. You go with what you know, stick to what's good. It's 5:30 right now. I had an early lunch, so I would love to have it right now, but I'm not planning ahead. All right, I'm gonna get to my hiking so I can get to my food. What's going on with that little spot up there? It looks like there's an eye on there. Sunset in the parking lot.